What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to be taking a look at a project called GeoDB. This project is new to me, however, it is not new to the crypto space, and we're going to take a look at all of the information surrounding that for you guys. It may be a project that you could be interested in. It is currently trading at 30 cents, guys. It is trading at 30 cents currently. So we are going to take a look at the website. We're going to take a look at the backing behind it, the partners, who it's partnered with. We're going to take a look at what the GEO token is and what this project's use case is. And I do think it might be something you'll be interested in, so please stay around for the whole video so you don't miss out on any of this awesome information. And of course, if you are new to the channel and you love cryptocurrency, make sure you hit that subscribe button and destroy the like button for the algorithm. Thank you. Also, guys, later on in the video, I will be taking a look at Odin Protocol, which is the governance token for the GeoDB ecosystem. Odin Protocol is listed on CoinMarketCap. It's trading currently at 7 cents, guys, and you can buy it over here on PancakeSwap with your wrapped BNB tokens. You can swap it out for Odin on PancakeSwap if you would like to get in on this early. Make sure you guys do that. And also, one other thing before I continue, guys, the GeoCache 3.0 app was released yesterday, and you can see here that GeoCache 3.0 is now live and fully integrated with BSC mainnet. You can get this on the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store. And I just want to point out a couple of things here that it mentions about the GeoCache app and what it does. You can see here, you own your data and you have the right to store it, share it, use it, and sell at your sole discretion. GeoCache has been created so that you can finally truly execute your rights. GeoCache is a data collector app that allows any user around the world to share their private and anonymous data with GeoDB's data sharing ecosystem while being rewarded with Geo tokens on a daily basis. This is good, guys. This is good. Definitely check it out, man. GeoCache 3.0 now available on the Google Play Store and the iOS App Store. Take a look at this right here, which says that GeoDB is a decentralized peer-to-peer big data sharing ecosystem which returns value to its creators, the users, you guys, me included. So anytime you use an app, anytime you visit websites, most likely these companies are collecting our data and they are selling it for a profit. Guys, we should have a stake in some of that, as that is our property, as GeoDB explains here. So next I want to take a look and scroll down here and look at their partners. Also, I want to point out that it says more than 12 million users will join GeoDB through connected apps. You can see here big data tech and tech strategic partners. First three right off the bat, familiar names in the crypto space. We have Chainlink, Ocean Protocol, and Polygon. So they are partnered with these other crypto projects. And all these other additional partners you can see there. Third-party data uploaders. We have Wave and Wola. A few others here that I'm not familiar with, but you guys may be. Here are their proprietary data apps. You can get these on your phones or your mobile devices. App Store, GeoCache, Volta, and GeoScan. GeoScan, scan your receipts, keep track of your expenses, and get rewarded. And GeoCache is the data collector app for GeoDB, allowing users to gain rewards for the data generated by their devices. And you can scroll on down here. There's a couple of others you can take a look at. I will leave links, guys, in the description below for all of this information if you want to take a deeper look for yourselves and maybe dive into their white paper and other information. I'll make sure that you have easy access in the description for all of this information. And I can see here that there is a short video with a brief explanation of GeoDB. So I will go ahead and play that and we can watch this together.
Any person around the world is constantly generating extremely valuable data, whether through their phones, laptops, smartwatches, cars, or even smart fridges. GeoDB is an ecosystem which will pay these users for the data that they generate. When users decide to upload their data to GeoDB, they will receive Geo tokens as a reward on a daily basis. These Geo tokens are planned to be exchanged for money or for discounts on dozens of products and services. The data uploaded to GeoDB is never personal, and the planned exchange of tokens for money or products is designed to be just one click away. We are aiming to make the experience as flawless as possible to any user. The data is uploaded to GeoDB directly through our proprietary app, GeoCache, or through third-party applications who've joined GeoDB's ecosystem. Once we launch our full network, it is planned that any other external platform and third-party applications will also upload their data to GeoDB. This means that not only can a person upload his data directly to GeoDB, we also aim for any company around the world to connect to GeoDB and upload their users' data too. The data gathered by GeoDB will then be sold to data buyers in a secure, compliant, and fully automated manner. In this way, we not only satisfy today's voracious demand for data, but also solve many market-specific inefficiencies.
Okay, so I do want to point out that you can also, these Geo tokens are also traded on exchanges. You can see here that I have the chart pulled up for Geo token on Bittrex. And there's a few other exchanges that I'll mention later on in the video where you can also buy Geo token as well, or GeoCoin as well. So just something to keep in mind, guys, that, you know, as you earn these coins, they are traded on these exchanges as well. So here we have their metrics. So we currently have 200,000 Geocache users, 115,000 community, rewarded Geos, I believe that is 7 million, rewarded wallets 120,000, generated blocks 1 million. You can see here Geo is now on DeFi, so here we go. Looks like Uniswap and yield farm Geos in our liquidity incentive platform. Stake your Geo ETH liquidity pool tokens and earn Geos. So you can earn yield from this. You can get it on Uniswap, buy Geo easily on Uniswap, and add liquidity to our pool. Looks like here Geo token is now listed on ZT Global and Longbit exchanges. Start trading Geos now. So let's take a look at the mission here. Once again, guys, I will leave links in the description for all of this information, so make sure to check it out for yourselves as well. So data has become the new digital oil, a high-value asset class on top of which huge digital companies have built extremely profitable business models. But for some reason, undoubtable values were forgotten and left behind along the way. Privacy, control, transparency, or value. You, the people, and their interests were abandoned. GeoDB is here to change this, building better and trusted relationships between market participants. Really loving the whole idea behind this project, right? Really digging the whole idea behind this project. In this connected world, GeoDB introduces a new concept, big crypto. The interconnection of big data, blockchain, and cryptocurrencies. These three subjects are at the forefront of technological development, and GeoDB is mixing them in an open ecosystem to completely improve the big data industry as we know it today. We aim to boost the big data market both to end users and companies, allowing trusted, frictionless, and efficient peer-to-peer data transactions. The time has come to democratize the big data industry. Loving it, right? Loving it. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section about this so far. And we're going to continue on. So they do have some blog articles here. I'm not going to get into those right this second in the video, but I may take a look at one. You know, guys, if you're a subscriber of the channel, that I'm a huge fan of Chainlink, and I've been holding Chainlink for some time now. So it would be interesting to take a look at this blog article, talking about GeoDB's partnership with Chainlink. Next, I want to take a look at the roadmap. So we can see here 2018, founding of GeoDB. So they've been around since 2018, guys. So like I said, man, not a new coin, new to me, but not a new coin. Probably most likely new to you guys as well. So definitely take a look at it. So founding of GeoDB, team formation, first partnerships in the European market, GeoSuite prototype development, hard cap on seed round. That all happened in 2018. The next is 2019, completed 50% of testnet development, 12 million plus of users of external apps agreed to connect to GeoDB, hard cap on private investment round, GeoCash app launched for Android, so that happened in 2019, guys. Listing in 2 leading crypto exchanges. So They were founded in 2018, and by 2019, they were listed on 2 leading crypto exchanges and had their testnet launch. By 2020, they had listings on 3 more exchanges, including top 10 CMC, GeoCash App launch for iPhone, GeoDB community global expansion, 3rd private investment round, mainnet and GeoSuit launch, initial ecosystem transactions, organic traffic, 2 initial strategic partnerships closed. So they have been making huge progress already. Since their founding in 2018, they have been making huge progress already. You did see the current earlier that it's currently trading at 30 cents, guys. Successful launch of e-commerce loyalty module. They had their apps launch in 2020, so just last year, guys. So very early on this project, guys. Very early on this. Very, very early. Before the word really gets out, you know, this could really be a big project in the future, I do believe. Listing on top 5 CMC exchange, and here we go for 2021. Improved data sharing environment, GeoDB App Store, permissionless analytics, 10 plus proprietary apps launched, successful launch of media companies module, Asian market expansion, 1 million active Geo token wallets reached, 100 plus connected third-party apps to the ecosystem, 50 plus data connected clients to the ecosystem. So really looking good here as far as you can see here also in 2021 US market expansion. So looking really good here for GeoDB. Also, guys, make sure you follow Geo on Twitter at GeoDataBlock. Make sure you follow them on Twitter, guys, so you can get all of these, all of their tweets, all of their updates on their project, guys. Definitely check it out. Look here, they're hiring. If that's in your field or your line of work. So definitely come over to Twitter, guys, and follow at GeoDataBlock. So I want to take a look at the price currently. We have their CoinGecko. They are listed on CoinGecko. Once again, guys, I'll leave links to all of this stuff in the description down below. So let's just take a look at the price real quick over here on CoinGecko. And you can take a look at some of the information over here on CoinGecko as well. Market cap 6.6 mil. So 6.6 million market cap. Trading currently at 30 cents. And let's take a look 30 days ago, 90 days ago. Okay, so guys, considering that, let's just take a look out here. Considering that it was trading at around $3, close to $3 back in March, and it's retraced quite some time now. You know, obviously this is not financial or investment advice. You should always do your own research, invest at your own risk, guys. But this could potentially be a great buying opportunity for this project, in my opinion. Especially when you take it out here, man, when you really take a look at it. I mean, look at this. We are definitely in a good buying zone, accumulation zone here. After having such a beautiful run up, this thing shot up from about 18 cents back in December 2020 to all the way up to $2.88 in March of 2021. So beautiful run there. Definitely, like I said, could be a very good place, accumulation zone there for the Geo token. Also, guys, I will leave links for this in the description as well, but you can come here to see all the legit information about their actual project. You can see that they're based in London in the UK. It gives you links to their social media accounts. Shows you incorporation date there. They have highlights here. GeoDB rewards anyone around the world for the data they generate. More than 200,000 users in active use in more than 100 countries. So definitely something to take a look at. There's a ton of information here on this website at Seedrs.com. I will leave a link in the description for that as well, guys. So guys, I also want to take a look at Odin Protocol.io. We'll leave a link in the description for this as well. This is the governance token for the GeoDB ecosystem. So I'm definitely going to take a look at that as well. I also want to just point out a few of their achievements so far. 250,000 plus worldwide users of their first app, GeoCache, and more wallets being created every day. As I mentioned earlier, their new apps GeoScan and Volta, developed and ready for launch. Geo Marketplace launching to facilitate the purchase of harvest data. Will be on BitScan and have dot integration. Their own data Oracle network, Odin Protocol, will be launching. Recently announced new technology integrations, partnerships with Chainlink and Ocean Protocol. 6 million GBP raised in 3 separate successful crowdfunding rounds. 2,000 plus retail investors, mainly from Europe. Highly experienced team of 30 plus with 18 developers. 3-year-old project. Company listed in the UK. Building quietly and now ready to move forward successfully. Geo token listed on a number of exchanges and more major exchange listings coming soon. Trading on Uniswap. Growing support as more people discover. Liquidity and yield farming in place. Very popular. And just a global community of 120,000 plus growing. So just overall, a lot of achievements and a lot of progress made with this project in a very short amount of time, in my opinion. So next we're going to take a look at Odin Protocol. Don't go anywhere. So I'll also leave a link in the description so that you guys can join the Odin Telegram group if you want to learn more about this governance token as well. Odin is a decentralized system designed to build a data oracle network based on an open protocol for interaction between participants and a sustainable economy. In addition to organizing the data oracle network, Odin involves building a decentralized peer-to-peer data sharing and trading ecosystem for delivering real-world data to on-chain for various use cases such as DeFi, betting, forecasting apps, or NFTs. Scrolling down, you can see their partners. Once again, man, tons of partners here for this project. You can see this diagram here explaining how this works and how the data is used and how the user is rewarded for their data. Tokenomics, binary token system to be implemented for the Odin project. First, Odin token should secure the network to be a means of payment for data consumers and take part in the system governance. The data provider token will be the means of payment for them. Odin token. Odin will use Odin native token for its own network as an incentive for validators to produce new blocks and submit responses to data requests. Here you can see a little bit more information on Odin. The total supply of Odin is capped at 100 million tokens with the following distribution. Data consumers pool. Staking and validators rewards 30%. Company and founding team 10%. Odin Treasury 50%. Odin tokens allocated to Odin Treasury are not taking part in system governance. Okay, so the total supply of Odin is capped at 100 million tokens. Just wanted to point that out. It says here that Odin applies a deflationary model to incentivize early holders. 20% of all Odins will be burned within 100 cycles. 400,000 is burned in every cycle, where 200,000 is burned entirely and 200,000 is returned to the holders proportionally. Final supply of Odin after burns 80 million. So the final supply after burns will only be 80 million Odin tokens, guys. Very interesting. A dynamic tax between 4% and 12% is applied within each cycle. You can see here token distribution. It's got your diagram so that you can easily see where these tokens will be distributed. Here we have Odin's use cases. So streaming of anonymized user-generated data such as location, health, consumption, mobile data, and others from off-chain applications to on-chain smart contracts. Dynamic NFT, allowing to update data records with an NFT from real-world data. DeFi applications need to be fed with real-world data such as off-chain trading platforms, prices, forecasts, statistics, and various analytics. Betting dApps, decentralized apps, can be fed with data from the real world to bring more decentralization and fairness to the betting sector. I like where this is going. Like, this is just, they're just all over the place, man. You can see the roadmap here. Another little diagram of their roadmap for 2021 for quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4. So by quarter 4 of this year, fully working system to be in place with all user flows implemented, suitable for onboarding of all users. So by the end of this year, by Q4 of this year, guys, they plan to be fully going, right? Fully working system, suitable for onboarding all users. You can see here their team. So in the video that we watched earlier, I didn't watch it all the way through, but their founder right here, this guy at the end does do a little explanation on it. You can see a few of their team members here, some nice looking folks, some very nice looking folks. 14 plus software engineers and DLT experts, 3 plus designers. So overall, guys, nice team, nice looking team. Lots of progress and lots of goals this year too. I think after this year, guys, as I said, when you look at the price of this coin right now, by the end of this year, guys, this could be a very good accumulation period for this coin, as it has dropped way low, and right now could be a potential great buying opportunity for this project, guys. So guys, I did say that I wanted to take a look at the blog articles explaining the Chainlink partnership. So here we have GeoDB launches live Chainlink node to supply location data on chain. We're excited to announce that GeoDB has launched our own Chainlink node live on mainnet, making consumer data accessible by smart contract developers. The first data set is made available directly on chain and cryptographically signed by our Chainlink node. Will be location data from mobile users. This involves users sharing their geolocation with the GeoDB marketplace for a reward, which the Oracle will use to return the number of people phones that were within a specified radius of that location during a specified time. The goal is to provide foot traffic information for physical retail stores that can be leveraged to build smart contract applications like location-based marketing, rewards, games, and more. As the most widely adopted Oracle solution in the market, Chainlink's secure blockchain middleware was critical in formatting and monetizing our existing APIs so they could be consumed by blockchain applications. So this is really cool, guys, that they are partnered with Chainlink here, or that they are using Chainlink. I'm a huge fan of Chainlink, and this is going to be great to use Chainlink as a way to bring the real-world data to the GeoDB marketplace. Obviously, some of you may not be as keen to wanting to share such information, even in a decentralized setting, but in my opinion, guys, in a decentralized future, this is something that could be huge, right? Being rewarded for the data that you're already, that's basically already being taken from you and sold anyways. I mean, although you do agree to give your data to these companies anytime you hit that accept button on the terms and conditions of any app. So you do agree to give this data away most of the time without even really knowing it or knowing what data they're going to take from you. So, but what's great about this project is it incentivizes companies to go along with this as well, to hopefully maybe decentralize our user data more and reward us for it at the same time. So in my opinion, definitely a great project to take a look at here. Guys, don't forget to come over to Twitter and follow Geo on Twitter at GeoDataBlock. And if you loved this video and you love cryptocurrency and you're new, please hit that subscribe button, destroy the like button on the way out, tap the heck out of it for me, and I'll see you guys in the next update.